Hey Victor, what does a house wear?
I have no idea.
Address.
Oh my goodness. These are getting worse. These are getting worse. Hey, y'all, I wanted to take a quick moment and go back over the VA home loans. And I want to introduce my friend Tucker again, Tucker Maxwell with Guild Mortgage. Hey, Tucker, I know you really well. Why don't you take like 30, 40 seconds and just give us, your plug, who you are, and just, introduce yourself.
Okay. Thanks, Victor. My name's Tucker Maxwell, and I'm with Guild Mortgage in Bellevue. Been a senior loan officer here in this branch for 6 years. Really happy to be here to talk about some loan types with you.
Okay, cool. And and I asked you to go through the loan types that I covered a couple of weeks ago, and you picked this one in particular. Why'd you pick the VA loan?
Yeah, Victor, VA home loans are something I'm really passionate about. My grandfather was an active duty military personnel for a long time and then a veteran. And I watched him use the VA home loans to really set up our family for success over the years. And so just want to take a chance to share this information with people.
Okay, perfect, perfect. And then just as a personal note, I know that a couple of people know, but I used to be in the Marines too. I was in the reserve. So we'll get into that, but I'm a little familiar with the certificate of eligibility and such. So let's just go into it. What is a home loan? Let's just start that. What is a VA home loan? Let's start there.
Yeah, a VA home loan is, or also known as a Veterans Affairs mortgage, is a home loan specifically designed and created for active duty and military veterans to really thank them for their service.
Okay, cool, cool. And then let's just go straight into the eligibility. Who's actually not the eligibility, the benefits. Like what are the benefits of this? Obviously not everybody could qualify for this. So
Correct. Yep. So active duty and retired reservists and retired personnel of the military honorably discharged and their spouses specifically are eligible for this type of loan.
Okay. And then because they're eligible for that, what's the benefits that you kind of cover with that?
Yeah, why would somebody use a VA loan?
Yeah, why would they use it?
So a couple of big advantages. First is going to be 100% financing, meaning zero down payment. Also with that, no mortgage insurance. So even though they don't have 20% down, they don't have mortgage insurance, and super competitive rates, usually lower than conventional or other loan types.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Now, back to the eligibility and the requirements kind of thing. And I talked about the certificate of eligibility earlier. Like, this is a little different than a USDA loan type, which is like tied to the property or the area. Like this is tied to the service member, right?
Correct. Yeah, no property restrictions really. House needs to be buttoned up and in good shape, but yeah, it follows the service member wherever they would like to buy a home.
Okay, and then obviously appraisals are a little bit different because it's a different loan.
Yeah, we just want to make sure that the veteran is buying a good product, that they're not walking into any, needs for work right away.
Okay, so usually not a fixer-upper kind of thing.
Yeah, typically.
Okay, cool. And then so it kind of follows the service member, but like let's go back into the types of loans that you can qualify for this. Obviously we have like a really low down payment, and the credit scores can get pretty low too. Like what's the benefits of that again?
Yeah, so we go down to as low as 540 credit scores, no down payment, no private mortgage insurance, super competitive rates. And this goes for fixed rate mortgages, adjustable rate mortgages, purchases, and refinance. You can even do cash out refinances with a VA loan.
Oh, crazy, crazy. So, all right, well, perfect. And I think that's about it. But like, why don't we just, go back to like you and I, like, how did we meet each other?
We met via LinkedIn, Victor, and then we went to coffee together and put a couple deals together, I believe, at that first meeting.
See, that's just, why we do this thing, right?
That's correct.
All right, well, perfect. I want to say thank you again for all your support and help. Obviously I'm a newer agent. I've been in it for almost 2 years now. And what we got to do is we got to, figure out a way to work together sometimes. But then at the same time, everybody specializes in something different. Yep. So again, from me to you and Becca, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys both. And then to everybody else out there, thank you for watching. I appreciate all of the support and help, and I wish you all a pleasant day. Thank you.